Okay, people, have here a solid stainless ABUS 9050. Okay, I bought this lock brand new a while back. You may remember it from some of my vids. I picked it before, so I'll just pick it again for you here, real quick. Okay, there you have it. There's one. Now that seemed a little too easy for near $100 with the lock. So I went out and got another one here, and let's see if it puts up a bit better of a fight.
BC Children's Hospital Lottery gives you the most spectacular prizes you can imagine, or create your own dreams with our cash options. Thousands of prizes totaling over $3
This one has a bit more radical of a cut, as you can see. Okay, and we'll just make sure it works with the key here. There's no springs in this lock because it's a marine lock and it is key retaining. Okay.
Accent chairs half price, and these leather sofas, your choice, half price. Only $4.99. It's a half price weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday only at United.
Perry's back with a look at sports and the Canucks' chances of making it into the playoffs.
50-50, I would say, if you want to take that.
See comes out.
Yeah, so it's not those undergarments some people wear. Depends. Depends if they win or not. All right, that's all I got. Thanks, Chris. The Canucks predicted at the start of the season their fate would likely come down to their final 9 games of the season, which are all head-to-head matchups against the Northwest. Now, so far, the Canucks are just 1-4 in that stretch. And if the playoffs started today,
there we have it. The ABUS Premier Marine, single pin picked right out of the package. This ranks pretty high on the ABUS security scale, I know that. But yeah, so there it is, picked. There's the first one. Anyways, peace, don't break the law, and don't forget about Keys. He wants his trip around the world, so remember, let me know what you think about that, and have a good time, enjoy, rate it, let me know if you liked it, and I'll try and do some more. Later.